that eating healthy actually saves you money. Yes, when you eat healthy, you get to save a lot of money. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jhummy. Today I'll be sharing with you how to eat healthy on a budget. Yes, okay. So we all know that the cost of living is fast rising and then the global economy is collapsing. If you want to maintain a healthy lifestyle while not breaking your bank, then this video is for you. If you know you want to eat healthy, live healthy, and you don't know how to go about it, being on a budget, then come closer. This is for you. The first thing is that you have to start cooking your own food. Yes, as funny as this may sound, it really helps you a lot. One, you start by planning your meal. You have to have a meal plan. You plan your meal, you prep them, you go to the store, you get the ingredients that you need, you prep them and you cook them. This way you are able to avoid junk meals. You'll be able to avoid junk meals and in the long run save yourself some extra money. At the same time, you are living healthy. So this is a very important point. This is the first point you have to bear in mind. Start cooking your own food and start eating your own food. When you cook your own food, you make sure you eat it, okay? 2, shop at farmers shop. Okay, this means that when you go to you deliberately shop at farmers stores because you get organic products from the farmers and at a cheaper rate. Yes, instead of always getting store items, you can actually visit the farmers. They are in charge directly from the farm. Most of the food they plant, most of the things they do are organic meals. So you want to take your time and go to farmer's shop. You can get your proteins from there, you can get your vegetables, so many things, and at a cheaper rate. This would really help you. Use more of homemade seasoning for your food. Yes, when I say homemade seasoning, I mean that we should try to reduce the use of processed seasonings. Okay, so instead of always buying seasoning cube and all of that, you definitely have that at home in your kitchen, but sometimes just use home-based seasoning. For example, you want to make grilled fish. You want to grill the fish, you can as well just get your ingredients fresh, your garlic, your ginger, your leaves, basil, everything, and blend it together. Make your seasoning from that. It is more organic and more natural to do that than always using processed seasonings and all of that. So that will really save you a lot of money, one, and then you'll be eating healthy. Okay, buy things in bulk. I think this is one of the best advice you would get from anybody. Try and get your items in bulk, your food, your grocery, get them in bulk. It saves you a lot of money. When you buy just in units or in smaller units, you tend to spend more, and at the same time it stresses you more because you have to go to the store every now and then. But when you buy them in bulk and keep them, you tend to save more and you save a lot of stress. But keep in mind, for labeled food, you have to check the expiry date. There are some foods that you cannot buy in bulk. There are some that you can buy in bulk. Take for instance, you need some bread in the house. You cannot fill your kitchen with bread, so you just have to buy the quantity that you need for that period of time. Okay, but when you want to buy your milk, those canned items, you can actually buy them in bulk, but keeping in mind the expiry date. So I hope that helps. Have a plan when going to the store. Have a plan, because this will save you a lot of money. Usually when I go out and I do not have a plan, or maybe I'm coming from somewhere and I just branch at the store, I tend to overbuy, and I think is common with everyone. You tend to overbuy. You see this, oh, I might need this, I might need that, and then before you know it, your cart is full already. So try and have a plan whenever you're going to the store, that okay, this is what I want to make, these are the ingredients I need, and you go to the store and go directly to where those things are. Don't buy here, pick this, pick that. Before you know it, you have overshot your budget. So this will help you to actually save money. You be able to be on a budget, and at the same time you will not end up buying junks, things that you do not need for the house. Okay, you should buy store brand. Yes, I just learned this not a few weeks ago, that buying store brand actually save you a lot of money. So for instance, if you're in the UK, there are some items, general items, grocery items that Lidl, for instance, would sell, and they also have those products for their store. So on those products you will see Lidl, Aldi, and so those products, they come cheap. They come cheaper than the normal products. So you want to make sure that you keep your eyes. You want to make sure that you buy those ones that are store brand, while keeping in mind that you have to buy the good things. You don't have to overbuy, okay? You have to stick to the plan. You have to cut down on fatty food and add fruits to your diet. Add fruits to your diet. You know, we do not say this a lot. Be intentional about taking fruits. Maybe one fruit a day. Be so intentional about it that, okay, I want to do this a day. I want to take this a day. Maybe in the morning. So you have to know what you like and what you do not like. You have to know your allergies and what works for you. So when you get that, you'll be able to get the fruits that suits you. Okay. And I hope you found these tips helpful, and I hope you would make use of them. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button down below. It is totally free. And if you have not liked this video, please thumbs up this video. What it does is that it enables more viewers to see this video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye. Hello, everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jhummy and you're welcome to. So the first step, guys, if you have not seen my recipe for this smoothie, you should check my channel. I'll link it up there for you to check it out. It is very healthy and nice. One other way to live healthy.